Ciao, this is Beyvan Vatandos. I'm graduating in Fashion and Textile Design from Istanbul Aydin University, and I'm coming from Turkey. Well, the first strong reason for me choosing EGINA is actually it being located in Italy, one of my favorite countries. Well, about my working experience in EGINA. In EGINA, I learned how to be friendly and also working all together actually. And also about my tutor, Paolo Russo, who is very passionate, and also other work like the staff in the company about the fields, any different fields in the company that they're up to and they're working on the different projects. But still there is a strong bond between all of them, which I really appreciated. So an advice for the other future interns, whenever they want to do an Erasmus experience, I was always a fan of Erasmus experience, study Erasmus or internship Erasmus, because it's I think a big and such a nice chance to do a cultural exchange and taste different lifestyle in living in a different community.